Hello, my name is Jim DeMeo. This is A Course in Miracles. Today we have Lesson 33. There's another way of looking at the world. Today's idea is an attempt to recognize that you can shift your perception of the world in both its outer and inner aspects. A full 5 minutes should be devoted to the morning and evening applications. In these practice periods, the idea should be repeated as often as you find comfortable. Though unhurried, applications are essential. Alternate between surveying your outer and inner perceptions, but without an abrupt sense of shifting. Merely glance casually around the world you see outside, then close your eyes and survey your inner thoughts with equal casualness. Try to remain equally uninvolved in both, and to maintain this attachment as you repeat the idea throughout the day. The shorter exercise period should be as frequent as possible. Specific applications of today's idea should also be made immediately when any situation arises which tempts you to become disturbed. For these applications, say, there's another way of looking at this. Remember to apply today's idea the instant you are aware of distress. It may be necessary to take a minute or so to sit quietly and repeat the idea to yourself several times. Closing your eyes will probably help in this form of application. So maybe you noticed in this reading the idea of peace, and maybe even the sense of peace being a goal. Well, indeed it is. The ego, the human self, also wants peace. This is why it strives towards our own death. It's interested in finally bringing us to rest in peace. The Course in Miracles also is interested in peace, but a very different kind of peace. It's a peace of being fully alive. It's a peace that is accompanied with joy. So maybe that sounds too good to be true. Peace and joy at the same time? Well, actually, it is not at all too good to be true, because it's, believe it or not, our natural state. Peace and joy. So now maybe you can understand that this Course is only directed at one thing, bringing us to a state of peace and joy by being guided by the Holy Spirit, instead of being guided by our human instincts, our human reactions, our fears. I will join you in peace and joy today. We'll talk again.